Lima HO tank locomotive is a very recognizable model, especially in the UK for the O gauge market. Here is a summary of the information about the Lima HO tank locomotive model. Key characteristics: wheel configuration 040 tank engine. This configuration, 0 leading wheels, 4 coupled driving wheels, 0 trailing wheels, is typical for small shunting or light railway locomotives. Manufacturer: Lima SpA, Lavorazione Italiana Metalli e Affini, a well-known Italian model train manufacturer that was active for nearly 50 years, from the 1950s until 2004. Gauge, scale. Primarily released in 00 gauge 1:76 scale for British outline for the UK market, but Lima also produced HO gauge 1:87 scale models for continental European and other markets. It's often associated with the 00 gauge range, which was introduced around 1977. Market position. Lima was known for providing affordable and popular models, often serving as a good entry point into the hobby. Prototypes and liveries. The model is generally a generic industrial or light railway tank engine rather than a precise model of a specific famous British prototype. Lima frequently re-liveried continental or generic models for different markets. British outline. It was widely sold in various liveries, including British Railways, BR Black, often with the early emblem, Great Western Railway, GWR Green, Southern Railway Green. It was often included in starter sets. Technical details, typical for vintage Lima. Motor. Typically featured Lima's proven 3-pole electric motor, known for its toughness and long life, working on 4 to 12 volts DC. Mechanism. In line with Lima's earlier simpler designs, the mechanism might have been slightly basic compared to high-end models, but they were generally reliable runners. They were designed to operate on tight radius curves. Couplings. Later OO models used the British standard couplings, often a tension lock type, to allow compatibility with other leading British brands like Hornby. Collector's context. Model type, often considered a standard tank or generic shunter. While not always highly detailed or perfectly scaled to a specific prototype, it holds a place in many collectors' hearts for its nostalgia factor and affordability. Reuse of tooling. It is suggested that the chassis or main tooling might have been based on a Continental or American tank loco design that Lima re-liveried for the British market. Due to the many variations in livery and numbering over its production run, specific details like the running number, e.g. 41,312, 40,106, 4,572, can vary widely.